Good day, welcome again to today's class. And what we'll be doing today is how to create a drop down menu in Microsoft Excel. Sometimes you might want to create forms or a database and we need people to select from a list of answers. How do we do that? So it's just so simple. For example, we want to create the grade list of students. So what we'll do is we click on the cell where you want it to be. We go to the data tab. Yeah, under the data tools, we'll come to data validation. We click on it. After clicking on it, we just come here. Under here, we'll come to lists. So the source of the data, we can just come here. Where is those data? We just click on this, and then we click OK. So that's all. This is the drop down list. We select what we want to select. Let's say the person has first class. So when people want to click their grade, they just select from any of the list and it's there. So it's very simple and straightforward. See you next time, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.